Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hi everyone, welcome to day 14 of the RAG for Beginners series. So far when we searched, we mostly just took the top results. Today, we will learn how to properly manage multiple matches that come back from the vector database. In real RAG systems, you almost always get several relevant chunks. You need to rank them, filter weak ones, and then intelligently combine the best ones into the context we send to the language model. Over here, we have created a new file, manage multiple matches. Now, let's quickly go line by line to understand what exactly we have done. First two statements are the import statements where we have OpenAI, create embedding, and Supabase imported from their respective files. Inside the ask question method, we can see that it is expecting a parameter called question. Once it is received, we are logging it in the console. Then we are creating the embedding over here for that question. And here we are calling the match documents RPC that we have created in Supabase, which is over here for the documents table. And this is the function that we have created over here in our Supabase. So that is what we are calling over here in our file. And these are the parameters that we have provided. We are requesting for more matches, but this totally depends on the kind of question that we will be asking. Next, if there are any errors, we are handling that. If there are no documents returned, we are consoling that as well. And here you'll see if we have received the documents, then we are sorting by similarity, highest first, just to be on the safer side. And then here we are logging all matches ranked by similarity. And for each of the document matches that we have received, here what we are doing is we are showing a percentage of the similarity that it matches the query that we have shared. So that percentage is shown over here along with the chunk or the string that matched. Over here, you can see we are then keeping only the strongest matches. And for that, we have kept a range where similarity is greater than 0.25. And if we don't have strong matches, we are falling back to top 3. So that is what we are doing over here. And then we are finally building a clean context from the selected matches. Once the context is ready, we have created this prompt. And here we are passing the context and question. And then the answer is expected from OpenAI API. We're using the GPT-4o mini model, and the message is sent over here. Once we have a response from AI, we'll be logging that and then the actual message that we have received. So over here, you can see we are asking this question, what is the movie Inception about and what themes does it explore? So let's go ahead, open up our terminal and execute this particular file. So here we have written node and then the name of the file, press enter. You can see that we have logged the question and then searching for relevant documents. And over here, it matched 46.4%. And this is the snippet or chunk that it found. And over here, using one best matches for the context, the AI response comes over here. The movie Inception is about a skilled thief named Dom Cobb. And then the whole explanation about the question that we have asked. We can also tweak it with other questions to see various kind of results or outputs that the system might present. For example, you can see I have asked another question, what themes are explored in the movie Inception? So here you can see the output coming up. This is again matching one of the lines and coming up with this AI response. This approach gives us much better control over the quality of the context that we send to the AI. We now have only 2 days remaining in the course. Next, we'll build a simple but complete AI chatbot proof of concept. See you in day 15.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.